Look, today we go for a SACHER-TORTE. We have got eggs and butter inside, and we made a really nice whipped cream out of it. And see, we've got egg whites and we just combine them. Let's just fold it under, and then we go for melted chocolate. And we're gonna fold it in nice and gently as well. All that's left to do, put the flour and some cacao powder inside and do the same. Make it a little bit flat on the upside, and we go into the oven. 160 degrees for 40 minutes. So here we prepared some butter and chocolate and some sugar, and this is our apricot jam. Okay, heat them up. Now take it out and let it cool. So now we let it cool, and then we begin with the finishing. So after cooling, you might want to flip it around. Okay, what we do, we put the apricot jam. Okay, what we do, we put the apricot jam. Then you're gonna place the second layer carefully on it. You're gonna use a palette, and you just we're gonna transfer it, and we do some pure and simple decoration. Now you're just gonna put it into the fridge for like 12 hours, and then you're gonna enjoy it. Mwah!